PSE&G has up to $7,500 available for qualifying New Jersey homeowners right now, and up to $25,000 worth of zero-interest on-bill repayment available to qualified borrowers. And most of the people who would qualify have no idea this is even out there. The ones that do, they often can't figure out where to start because sometimes the utility's website isn't the easiest to navigate, and program names overlap, eligibility criteria sometimes is written in some bureaucratic language, or a list of participating contractors that may or may not know what you're talking about when you call them to inquire about the program. I'm going to fix all of that in this video. My name's Scott, I'm the founder of Ciel, and we've navigated the PSE&G Whole Home Energy Solutions program for hundreds of New Jersey homeowners. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what the program is, what qualifies for rebates, and how much you can receive, and exactly what the step-by-step process is to access those incentives. Let's go. Chapter 1, what the program actually is. PSE&G's Whole Home Energy Solutions program is a utility-funded incentive program designed to help New Jersey homeowners reduce energy consumption and improve the performance of their home. The key word here is whole home. This is not a program for one specific product or one specific upgrade. It's designed around a diagnostic-first model. First, we audit the home, identify what it actually needs, and then install qualifying improvements. The rebates are applied to the verified improvements. The diagnostic-first model is one of the things that makes this program different from manufacturer rebates or from single product incentives. PSE&G isn't rebating you for buying a specific brand of insulation. They're rebating you for improving your home's verified energy performance, which is why the audit is not optional. It's the required first step. It's a prerequisite for participating. Without it, there is no eligibility pathway for you as a homeowner to participate in the program. Chapter 2, what qualifies? Here's what the program covers in plain English: attic insulation and air sealing. This is typically the highest rebate category for most older New Jersey homes because the attic is where the most significant performance gaps are found. Bringing an under-insulated, leaky attic up to current performance standards qualifies for very substantial rebates through all of the different utility programs. Wall insulation and rim joist insulation. The rim joist, the band of framing that sits on top of your foundation walls, is one of the most common air leakage points in pre-1980 New Jersey homes. It's also one of the easiest and most cost-effective improvements to make. Heating and cooling systems. High-efficiency heating upgrades, heat pumps, and qualifying cooling systems can also receive rebates, particularly when they're installed as part of a whole home improvement plan that includes work to the building envelope. Hot water systems. Heat pump units, on-demand units, and power-vented water heaters all qualify for rebates through this program. What doesn't qualify? Well, cosmetic improvements don't qualify. Most appliances don't qualify. Energy efficiency improvements done without a qualifying audit. Installations by non-approved contractors. This is actually why choosing a certified program contractor matters a lot, not just for the quality of work, but because unapproved installations don't qualify for the rebate regardless of what work was done. Chapter 3, the numbers. Let me talk about actual dollar amounts because this is where most explanations go vague, and I want to be very specific here. The program's maximum combined rebate is up to $7,500 for qualifying upgrades. That's the ceiling, and not every project reaches it. The actual rebate you receive depends upon what your audit findings are and what scope of work is recommended for your home and installed, and what scope of work is recommended for your home and ultimately installed. Here's how the numbers tend to work in practice. For a typical attic or air sealing and insulation upgrade on a pre-1980 New Jersey home, which is the most common single project scope, homeowners receive rebates in the range of $1,200 to $3,500. The variation depends upon the size of the attic, the pre-upgrade insulation level, and the amount of air sealing work required. When you add in rim joist work, the rebate increases a little bit more. When you add in heating or hot water improvement, it increases further. For homeowners who take a comprehensive approach, envelope plus mechanical systems, the $7,500 ceiling becomes much more attainable. And here's the critical thing. This rebate is applied directly to your project cost, not a mail-in rebate, not a check that you wait 6 months to receive, directly to the cost of the work. And the remaining balance, up to $25,000, typically goes on to a zero interest on-bill repayment that's spread out over 7 to 10 years. So many of our customers, in fact most, don't have to come out of pocket with any money at the time of sale to do this type of very significant work. This is the most robust we've ever seen these programs. And our understanding is that the next generation of programs is going to offer a lot less. So if you've been on the fence about this, now is really a great time to start thinking about this type of improvement. The program is scheduled to be available through mid-2027 or until funds run out. Chapter 4, the process, step by step. Here's the exact sequence. Step 1, the home energy audit. For Ciel customers, this is $99. The audit is what qualifies your home for this incentive program. It's the required first step. During the audit, we document your home's performance conditions, identify the qualifying upgrades, and we calculate your specific rebate eligibility through your utility company. Step 2, the proposal. After the audit, we prepare a project proposal that shows the whole upgrade scope, the total cost, and the rebate amounts that you qualify for. Nothing is hidden, and the math is laid out completely. Step 3, your decision. You decide what, if anything, to proceed with. No timeline pressure from us. If the rebate year is ending and there's a genuine deadline, we'll tell you about it, but the decision is yours. Step 4, installation. Our certified team installs the qualifying upgrades. Our certifications and our contractor status with PSE&G are what make the rebate pathway available to you. Step 5, rebate processing. And here's the part I want to emphasize. We handle the entire application process for you. The PSE&G rebate application, the program documentation, the post-installation verification, all of it. You never touch the paperwork, not once. This is not a small thing. The program documentation can be genuinely complex. We've done this hundreds of times. We handle it so that you don't have to. Step 6, rebate applied. The approved rebate is applied to your project balance. You then pay the net cost spread out over your utility bill over the next 7 to 10 years. The full project cycle typically takes about 4 to 8 weeks to complete. Chapter 5, why spring timing matters. I want to spend a few minutes on this because most people don't realize that it matters. PSE&G's program operates on an annual budget cycle. Funding is allocated at the start of each year. Spring, January through May, is when the program's funding pool is at its fullest. As the year progresses, applications draw down the available funding. By October and November, we sometimes see reduced rebate availability or extended processing times. Not always, but the pattern is consistent year to year. For homeowners who are serious about accessing the maximum available rebate, spring is not only strategically a good time, it's the financially optimal time. There's also the scheduling dimension. Attic insulation and air sealing work is weather dependent, not severely, but meaningfully. The optimal installation window is moderate temperatures, no extreme heat or cold that complicates the material handling or our availability. Spring gives you that window comfortably. And of course, if you complete the work in spring, you get the benefit for the entire summer. A homeowner who completes attic or air sealing in April is comfortable in June, July, and August. A homeowner who completes it in October misses the summer entirely. That's the PSE&G Whole Home Energy Solutions program. Complete picture, nothing left out. If you're a PSE&G customer and you've been thinking about this, or if you've been confused by the utility website and just needed someone to explain it clearly, I hope this helped. The $99 Ciel Home Energy Audit is the starting point for the entire process. We are a PSE&G certified contractor. We're a top 10 contractor with PSE&G, and we navigate the program for you. We handle every piece of paperwork from the moment you book the audit through the moment the rebate is applied to your project. Book now at cielpower.com. The link is in the description, and if you have questions about your specific situation, drop them in the comments or call us at 201-632-3463. Thanks for listening, and if you know somebody who would benefit from this program, please pass this video on to them. Thanks a lot, and we hope to see you on your upcoming Ciel Home Energy audit.